Ready to unlock effortless spending with your Uber Plus card and Apple Pay. First, make sure you have the Uber app and the Apple Wallet app installed and set up on your iPhone. Open the Uber app. Tap the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner, then select Wallet from the menu options here. You should see your Uber Plus card listed. Tap on your Uber Plus card in the card details. You should see an option to add to Apple Wallet. Tap on this. Your iPhone will display the card image and ask you to review the card details. Double-check everything, then tap Agree to the terms and conditions. Follow the on-screen prompts. You might need to verify your identity through a text message or email verification code. Once verified, your Uber Plus card is now successfully added to Apple Pay. You'll now see it among your other cards in the Apple Wallet app. To use it, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal. You'll feel a vibration and see a checkmark on your screen, confirming the transaction is complete. Now you're earning those Uber Plus rewards wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Enjoy the convenience and rewards of your Uber Plus card with the seamless security of Apple Pay. Subscribe for more Uber Plus tips and tricks.